When it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. Hello everyone. Today we're going to start with our second section, that is section B, writing and grammar. The marks allotted to this particular section is 30 marks, beginning with an informal letter. What is an informal letter? You have been hearing it since the very beginning and you have been doing it since many years. Informal letter. As you know that letter are of two types, formal and informal. In your course you are going to be studying about informal letter. What is informal letter? It is also referred to as friendly letter or personal letter, which is being written in a personal fashion. You can write it to anyone with whom you have a non-professional relationship, like your friends or your relatives. The correct format of this informal letter is, first of all, you're going to start with the sender's address. Sender's address means if you are writing a letter, that means your own address will come here in the left hand side. Next, date. The particular date in which you are writing a letter. Then next is greetings. Dear friend. The name of your friend or the name which you have given to your friend you can write here because it's a informal letter. Then you're going to start your letter with an introductory paragraph asking your friend's health, how is he or she, how is or she is doing in his or her life. Then body. The letter should maintain a friendly tone, like the language, the wordings you are writing. You can afford to be very casual. If you are writing to an elder relative, you must be extremely respectful and considerate. And how you are talking to a person in a conversation, apply the same sentiments in the letter if you are talking to an elder or if you are writing a letter to your friend. Then next is the conclusion, where you sum up the whole letter, where you summarize the letter, where you give a meaningful and affectionate goodbye to whom you are writing a letter. It shows an intention to keep the conversation going, that you do not want to end the letter but you have to. And then at last, signing off with words like lots of love, best wishes, kind regards, kindly. Pick anyone the best that suits the occasion and the person you are writing a letter to. And then at last, yours lovingly, your name. I have written XYZ and you can write your own name. So this is the format of an informal letter. Now let's understand what are the points that you should keep in your mind while writing an informal letter other than this format. First of all, make sure that there is no grammatical mistake, no spelling mistake, because they also carry marks. Because if you are going to make such small mistakes, then it will going to deduct your marks. Leave adequate number of lines between the paragraph. Like if you are writing your letter in 3 paragraphs, there should be you must leave a line between 2 paragraphs to make the letter more neat and clean. Next is presentation is very, very important. While you are writing a letter, make sure that you stick to the format. Make sure that the paragraphs is in proper line. Make sure that you are writing the letter in good handwriting, in absolutely correct way. Depending upon you're writing a letter to an elder person or to your own friend. Yes, and if you are finding problem in writing an informal letter, I would suggest you to go through the informal letters online. There are a lot of informal letters. Go through it and try to find out the difference between writing a letter to your relative, to your elderly person, or when you're writing a letter to your friend. There is a huge difference, and while you read those letters, you're going to find the difference. There will be many topics for informal letter, like you are inviting a friend, you are apologizing to a friend, you are congratulating, you are requesting, or you are reminding, you are admitting a mistake. So these are all things that comes under informal letter. You must go through it. In this video, in the picture column, I'm going to give an example of an informal letter. Just go through it, and I would suggest you to go through the online websites also to see the informal letter. You'll find the difference. Thank you.